This 47th trading week of 2012 comes to a close with investors keeping a close eye on retailers as the holiday shopping season kicks off. Hi, I'm Sayoko Murase. Welcome to the weekly market wrap for November 23rd, 2012. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq were all higher for the week. Crude oil futures are higher this week, trading around $88.36 a barrel on Friday afternoon. Gold futures are lower this week, trading at $1,747.97 an ounce in afternoon trading. In notable economic news this week, the Commerce Department announced on Tuesday that housing starts increased by 3.6% to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 894,000 units, the highest level since July of 2008. Applications for building permits, meanwhile, dropped by 2.7% to 866,000 after jumping 12% in September to a four-year high. However, permit applications for single-family homes increased to their highest level since July 2008. In corporate news, Lowe's announced that net income for the third quarter was higher by 76% due to higher revenue and lower charges. The company earned $396 million or 35 cents a share versus $225 million or 18 cents a share in the same period last year. Analysts had expected earnings of 36 cents a share. Revenue was higher by 2% to $12.07 billion from $11.85 billion, and analysts expected $11.93 billion. Salesforce.com, which provides cloud-based software, announced that it earned 33 cents a share, beating analyst estimates by 1 cent. Revenue increased by 35% to $788 million, while analysts had expected $776.5 million. The company expects earnings of 38 to 40 cents a share for the current quarter on revenue of $825 million or to $830 million. Analysts were expecting earnings of 40 cents on revenue of $828 million. Best Buy announced that it lost $10 million or 3 cents a share in its third fiscal quarter versus a profit of $156 million or 42 cents a share in the same period last year. Excluding items, the company earned 3 cents per share, while analysts expected 13 cents per share. Revenue fell by 4% to $10.75 billion, matching expectations. The Valspar Corporation announced that it earned $73.8 million or 79 cents a share in the fourth quarter versus a loss of $295.7 million or $3.18 a share in the same period last year. Revenue was down by 2.2% to $1.02 billion, the lowest estimates of $1.08 billion for fiscal 2012. Earnings were $3.28 a share, meeting estimates. Revenue increased by 2% to $4.02 billion. Deere announced that profit for the fiscal fourth quarter increased by 3% to $687.6 million or $1.75 a share versus $669.6 million or $1.62 a share in the same period last year. Sales increased by 14% to $9.79 billion. Analysts had expected the company to earn $1.88 a share on sales of $8.93 billion. The company expects a fiscal 2013 profit of about $3.2 billion, slightly below analyst estimates of $3.26 billion. This is the weekly market wrap for Friday, November 23rd, 2012. Please join us on Monday for the week ahead market report. This is Sayoko Murase from passfail.com, taking you behind the ticker.